Hey, Blackberry Brandy. Hey everybody, this is Midnight Trampoline Kennel, and I want to do a video. Please, if your dogs are outside in kennels or on a chain, this is bowls that I keep on the fence when dogs are outside, and this water is frozen solid. So please keep an eye on your dogs. It is 23 degrees outside here in North Carolina right now, and this is what the water looks like. So please keep an eye on your dogs. Keep an eye on the water. Because bullies in general, short-haired dogs can freeze to death. Any dog can. Blackberry Brandy, come here. Hey girl. Come here, girl. Good girl. Alright, well, I'm gonna just say I want to do that video. It's been cold, so keep your dogs warm and keep an eye on the water. And Blackberry, so her morning routine. Black squirrel. Alright, y'all. Remember, like, share, subscribe. God bless.